All right, play ball.
So, what do you call this game?
Baseball.
Baseball.
Yeah, baseball.
Okay.
Yeah, you know, home plate, first base, second base, third base.
All right, baseball.
Ball, bat, gloves.
Yeah.
All right.
Baseball.
Strikeout. Yeah. Woo! Yeah, strikeout. Strikeout.
Woo! Yeah.
All right, yeah. Come on.
Yeah, all right. Baseball.
Come on, good eye, good eye, good eye.
Woo!
Stolen base, stolen base.
Yeah, good base. Woo!
Yes.
Yeah. Woo! Right. Yeah, come on, come on. Yeah, good pitch. Ooh.
Home run! Yes!
Home run! Woo! Yes! Woo! Oh, home run! Woo! Yeah! Man.
Hey, buddy. I'll give you my ice cream if you can just clap once. Just you clap once, all right? So be ready, all right? It's yours if you can just clap once.
Just one time?
Just one time, all right? So.
I got this.
All right, maybe practice.
All right, here we go.
Strikeout! Yes!
Yeah, strikeout! Woo! Strikeout! Yeah! Oh, I almost got it. Can I count?
No.
Who's this hitting? Why is everybody cheering? Oh.
Because he just struck out.
Oh, right. Strikeout,
Right,
yeah. Woo! Strikeout, yeah, here we go.
You got it. You got it.
Strikeout,
All right,
yeah.
you got it this time, right? You got
Okay.
it. All right! There you go.
I got it!
Sorry it's a little melty, but here, have at it. It's kind of melted.
Oh, it's fine. It's fine.
We'll just make it work.
Yeah. Man, I wanted ice cream.
All right,
So
have at
happy.
it.
Okay.